Crime investigation. Hello, my name is Diego Soluciono. Today is going to solve a crime. What is their crime? Robbers were to buy from the bank. Scratch crime isn't. The robbers enter and they ask for the key to the safe. There were witnesses to the robbery and among them there here suspect. We watch evidence in the report psychology in the what form that Mr. Murray imagined things and had problems with her husband, and the easing of the crime the watchful and cigarette inside on outside in the van, and a cell phone. We will is bank guilty. The guilty is Mr. David Johnson. He had no alibi. Sign the chopper did not remember where we hit him. When the robber occurred, he has no inside van. Uh-huh. Goodbye.